Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about progress. If you're a beginner content creator, this one's for ya because let's be real, it's not as easy as we thought. Maybe you've even considered lowering your expectations. Have I had low motivation moments? Definitely. But when I think about why I started this journey, I get back to work. I haven't been super consistent. There were weeks I didn't post, and I lost that initial adrenaline from the first few weeks. I mean, it's a bunch of work to edit something specially as a beginner. Yet look at this. See? So please spare me the hate. If we were on IG, I would have responded spitting fire. But my stoic conviction be like Wellsolence is the best answer cause I know my worth. I don't need to waste my precious time. Anyways, have you ever thought 2020 was like the best time in terms of supply and demand for content creators? If I had started back then, honestly, I would have made tons of views in a short span without too much effort. Like those scammy vids, how to get 1M views in just a few steps. Good to be true, huh? People were literally online 24/7s, show graph statistics. But anyways, I don't mean to make you reminisce about the past. This is a stoic mindset channel after all. Let's focus on what we do have control over, ourselves. Just start. It might be confusing and discouraging at first, but believe in your vision and in you. It is true that you start and then BAM. You're supposed to find a niche. Honestly, I was supposed to post this video a month ago.
What?
But whatever. Remember, you're your first supporter. No one can like you more than you. That's all from me. Welcome to my journey.